Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on Redmi K80. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then move to about phone, and now you have to scroll down. Then click on factory reset and then click on erase all data. Now you have to enter your PIN code and then click next. Then click on factory reset, and here you have to wait for 10 seconds and then you will have to click next. Now click next, and you have to wait again for 10 seconds and then you will have to click OK. Click OK. So my phone is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.